This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So tell me, what is the status code 401 and when does it occur?
Well, in general, the 400 series HTTP is like the client-side error. So when actually sending the username, I actually receive the 401 and the 403. And when the payload is wrong, I actually get the 403 as well. When a brand ID is wrong, I get the 403. When actually the product is not found, I get the 402. So each of the API specification and the HTTP code has the details, the description on the Swagger. So just follow them and actually I add the assertion in my test.